Welcome to Queens Ridge Surgery Center, home of Crovetti, Orthopaedics, and Sports Medicine. I'm here to meet with Dr. Crovetti, and he's going to show me around his incredible facility. Dr. Crovetti, talk me through the establishment you have here, which, by the way, at Queens Ridge is impressive.
Well, I appreciate that. This Queens Ridge Medical Center was an idea we had probably 3 or 4 years ago because we were silly enough to decide in the middle of COVID we needed to put a medical facility right in the middle or next to the Summerlin area. So what we were trying to do is bring our orthopedic project, which we have in Henderson, where we have a vertical of our office, our surgery center, and our overnight stay in our recovery suites. So we thought, why don't we do this again, right? We're 14 years later, we got over the first time, so we're gonna get back into building again. So this is the Queens Ridge Medical Center, who has the same vertical, our office, imaging, our surgery center, our overnight stay, physical therapy, everything you would need before your orthopedic surgery.
And that's something that must really appeal to patients, orthopedic patients, is knowing that everything is encapsulated inside one beautiful vertical, like you've already mentioned.
It really is. The biggest problem I think we have here in Las Vegas with medicine is the fragmentation of care. Everybody's going somewhere for a different test or a different study or for their surgery or for their therapy after their operation. We've brought it all under one roof so patients only need to come to one address and have everything they need right here.
Clearly you guys have honed in on what you do and have made it the best it could possibly be.
You know, it's the comfort for the patient, right? So they have their operation, they know they have a surgeon who's done this operation more than once. In fact, many times, hence the bald head, right, after all these years. But we've done this operation many times, but here's where the comfort comes in. You have a surgery in a surgery center. You're not in a hospital. So the risk of infection, right? The things that you worry about. Now we get you up in the recovery room and you start walking and you walk to your recovery suite. So you're not going to your house. You're not going into a hospital room. You're gonna hang out, and I mean hang out with us for 2 days, get some therapy, have us answer all your questions. So when you leave and you go home, you, your family member, your significant other who stays there with you is comfortable with the post-operative care.
So let's take a little tour of the establishment and you can show me around all the fabulous parts that make this so special and set the standards now for orthopedics in Las Vegas.
Sounds fantastic.
Okay,
Thank you,
Doctor.
All right, great.
So Dr. Crovetti, this is what you refer to as the orthopedic penthouse?
I do refer to it that way.
Give me a little idea of what happens up here and what we have in each area.
What happens in every penthouse, right? It's the top, right? It's where the views are the best. It's where the staying is the best. Well, this is no different, right? So we're in a place up here where we have 10 rooms that are super comfortable for patients to stay in, much like a glorified hotel room. It's not like a hospital room. That's the idea. We're supposed to be different than that. We want you to be super comfortable like you're in your house, except you're in my house.
So in your house, we get to stay for 48 hours after surgery?
You do. That room is yours for 48 hours after the procedure. The room has, obviously, its private bath. It's a private room. We encourage a family member to come stay. We feed the family member also because we're going to put them to work.
Okay.
They become part of the team while they're here so that when they go home, they're part of their team in their house.
And that's what I love about one of the things you do here is that aim towards recovery immediately. So we even have football yardage on the floor here in the penthouse level to get people moving.
We do, because everyone knows what it means to score a touchdown, right? So you start at one end, you start at the 5-yard line, we want you to head to a touchdown at the other end of the field. And then you're gonna come back and give me 3 touchdowns 3 hours after your surgery. Imagine that.
Taskmaster.
A little bit, right? So that's gonna help us prevent blood clots, gonna get you breathing great again, and really get you moving.
The other part, which is extraordinary up here as well, is the physical therapy room.
It is, and it's a fitness room. So it's designed for patients after they have their surgery to have access to fitness equipment. Not everybody has a bike at home, or elliptical trainer at home, but we know the days when you aren't in therapy are the most important days. We want to keep you moving. We want that knee or that hip to keep moving because that's how you know you'll be successful.
If I ever had any orthopedic problems, I know from talking with you and seeing this place that I would want you to take care of me. How do I make that happen?
Well, CrovettiOrtho.com is a great place to start. We've got 9 providers. They're all wonderful humans. They all do something a little bit different. Start at CrovettiOrtho.com and go through and meet our partners, hear the stories of other patients that have been here, take a virtual tour of the recovery suites. So many things you can do on CrovettiOrtho.com.
Can we go and check out that view one more time?
One more time.
One more time. I promise one last time.